Today we'll be showing you how quick and easy it is to install our bolt-in gas bonnet strut kit. And by being bolt-in, you'll do no damage to your vehicle and can be easily removed and you won't even know it was there. And also our kit is completely made in Australia, from the gas struts being gassed and made in Brisbane, and our stainless steel brackets being laser cut in Toowoomba. So by purchasing our kit, you'll be supporting many Australian businesses. So let's get into it and we'll show you how to put it in. You only need two tools, so a 12mm and a 13mm spanner. Unlike other kits with rivets and riv nuts, you've got to drill holes, leaving permanent damage and leaves it susceptible to rust. So no matter what your skill level is, you'll be able to install this in under 30 minutes. So first up, we're going to install the strut bracket, which bolts into the original bolt holes of the mounting bracket for the bonnet, which you use a 12mm to undo the original bolts. But what you do is you do the bottom one first. And then you start to screw in the bottom one first so you don't completely remove the bonnet, making it a lot easier. So you'll put your new mount in and screw that all the way and then nip that up just a little bit. Just enough to put a bit of pressure on it. And then you remove your top one. And it should support itself, and if it doesn't, just tighten up the bottom one a little bit more. And once you remove that, you slide this one across and put your bolt back in. And then underneath where the bracket moves, you should be able to see there's a little bit of primer on there from where it wasn't painted. So you line it up where the white and all your paint looks like where it originally was, so the bonnet's not out of line or anything. And then just tighten them ones up. And that's it for the top bracket. So next step, which we've already done here, you've got to remove your 12mm bolt and you replace it with one of the ball studs that are supplied, and you put a washer which is also supplied, and it goes just in here. Fairly simple, just bolt that in. And then next up, you're ready to install your strut. So they're fairly simple, they just have a little clip on. So you clip your bottom on first in the corner, just put it on there and just push and it'll click on. And then next up, you just got to get it to your bonnet. So you just lift your bonnet up a little bit and that just clicks in there. So both sides are exactly the same for the installation. Doesn't matter which one you do first. Our kits do work with dual battery setups, but sometimes if the bracket's in the way, you'll have to cut it out so it clears it. So what you do is you install your kit and check it, the clearance when you go to put it down. If it looks like it's going to hit, you'll just have to cut out small sections, about 10mm by 10mm, and you just notch that out with a grinder. This is an ARB kit, but all of them are fairly the same, so there's a good chance you have to do it. But it's very simple and won't take very long. This one's a 2013, but if you do have a 2007 to 2009 VD J79, there'll be a small fuse box that runs along here that needs to be moved just down about 20mm to a different hole there, because so it clears the bracket when it goes all the way down. But that's very simple, just move it down about 20mm and that's it, all you got to do for that. Hope this shows you how simple and quick our kit is. If you'd like to purchase one, there'll be a link in the description, or head to buildin70s.com.au and pick yourself up one there.